Can you hear those frogs? Not real ones. We're actually at Changi Airport. So some of you might be wondering, why am I recording sounds of frogs, right? Well, actually it was the sound of the frogs, what do you call them? Croaking? Anyway, they reminded me of a very good friend of mine called Spark. So now Spark is an orange frog. Well, he once was green, but he became orange. Why? How? Well, his story was inspired by Sean Ajor's The Happiness Advantage. As you can tell, my copy is very well used. I love Sean's book, which really inspired my life, and it made me go on a quest to find out, hey, how do I teach this? And lo and behold, there is a workshop called The Orange Frog that shares all the whys, the hows, and the what to dos. So if you are a manager, a team leader, or just someone who's been wanting to know how do we build more positivity either into our daily lives or into our work lives, you may want to check this workshop out. It's called The Happiness Advantage, The Orange Frog, run at Singapore Institute of Management. Our public workshop is next month, so do look out for more details. I will be posting some information soon, but you can always Google and look out for Singapore Institute of Management's professional development programs. Hope to see you there, hope to welcome you there, but of course you can always contact me directly to find out more about the workshop if you would prefer to run it in-house. And with that, have a wonderful orange happy week. Bye.